Okay, so we've got, we're just sitting here in the garden and in the sun, and we saw that a lot of these sweet peas are more than ready. Here's, you know, a nice big fat pod. Good green peas, you know. And then when you open it, looks like this. Looks pretty cool. And so, you know, I've got some in my hand here. We're gonna try a few because, okay, yeah, they're raw, but why not? I think they're so pretty and healthy, and
it's big.
yeah, these are big, nice and plump. So might as well take like a couple.
I want one of this.
A bit crunchy because it's raw. Very green tasting, but nice and sweet. Like, I guess when you cook it, it gets a little sweeter, but hi.
It's sweet.
Oh, the smaller ones are a little sweeter. Maybe when they grew more, they weren't quite as sweet. Here, taste one more. But it's really good. I mean, even just like that.
Yeah.
So if I were to cook them, I wouldn't want to like overdo it, because then the flavor's all gone. It tastes so good just like this. Whoops, your lip fell off. So what? You don't just have a green thumb, you have green lips now. Here's some more. You can just munch on some more. So good. I mean, you just come out in the garden and start munching. Yeah, this size is really sweet and good.
Touch piece of tomato on here.
Yeah, these are really good. So it's my turn to do this then. Thank you for watching. No, but really good. Bye.
Bye.